Hello everyone, welcome to Meichen Electronic Appliance. We do shipping worldwide. We have a lot of products. As you can see behind, we have a lot of products, food process, we have blenders, we have a lot of products. But right now, I'm gonna introduce one of our products is the jug blender. Jug blenders. This is a box. Is really nice quality. It has 4 different languages, and here you can see this is a blender. It's made by glasses. It has a lid here, and it has a covers, and it is also have a multifunctionals, and also like for grinders. You can also use for the grinder for coffee. It's for grinders. And here is stainless steel blade, and it has like 5-speed switch. There is like 5-speed switch. This is the 1 speed, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it has like 5 different 5-speed switch. So let me show you how does it work. Let me show you how does it work. Here I have a fruit. Let me show you. I have a fruit here. I have a fruit. Let me put the fruit here. I have a fruit, and I will put a little bit of water. And so let's check it. How does it work? Let's check it. So just use the blender. Just use the blender. Now it's 1 speed, 2, and it's a 5. And it's really quick. It's really quick. And because of this is the jug blender. Why it's special? Why it's made it special? Because it's inside of the motors. It has overheated protections, because there is another blender. It doesn't have overheated protection. When you use the heat, can be protect itself. So that's why it's made it. It's nice. Made it nice. So let me test it. Let me test it. Let me test. I have a cup here. Let's test it. Let's test. It's really nice. It's really nice. So it's really quick. So let me show you how to use the blend to the grinders. How to use the grinder. I'm gonna show you the grinders. Here there is a coffee here. It also can use the coffee. So I can show you the coffee. So we put a little bit of coffee here, and we close it. Hope you can see it. And we put just on it. So use to the speed. So that is very quick. Very quick. 5, 6, 4, 1. Yeah, that's it. That's all. Let me show you. That's really nice. Let me show you here. Let me show you the caps. Here you go. That's really nice. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.
Bye bye.